Welcome back to the Autocrafters, where precision meets passion and where we break down the latest vehicles that blend ruggedness, capability and innovation. Today we're diving deep into a legend that's been reimagined for a new generation, the 2025 Toyota 4Runner SR5. For decades the 4Runner has stood as an icon of off-road dominance and everyday practicality, a vehicle that bridges the gap between tough body-on-frame SUVs and family-friendly daily drivers. The Toyota 4Runner has been around since the mid-1980s. Originally born as a rugged compact SUV based on the Hilux pickup, over the years it evolved into one of the most recognizable mid-size SUVs loved by outdoor enthusiasts, overlanding adventurers and families needing a reliable utility vehicle. By 2025 the 4Runner had been long overdue for a full redesign. The previous generation, which debuted way back in 2009, soldiered on for over 15 years with only incremental updates. Despite its age, it retained a cult-like following because of its durability and old-school body-on-frame construction, but in the competitive modern SUV market Toyota knew it had to rethink the 4Runner while keeping its rugged DNA intact. Enter the 2025 4Runner SR5, built on Toyota's new TNGA-F platform, the same global truck and SUV architecture that underpins the latest Tacoma Land Cruiser, Tundra and Sequoia. This shared foundation immediately signals that the 4Runner is not only more refined but also tougher and more capable than ever. The SR5 comes with a commanding presence right from the front, featuring a broad hexagonal grille that's framed with Toyota's modern signature headlights. The LED daytime running lights create a distinct C shape, adding both aggression and modern flair. The SR5 trim opts for a more balanced look compared to higher trims. It's rugged without being overly flashy, appealing to those who want function with just the right dose of style. The SUV has slightly grown compared to its predecessor. Wheelbase has been stretched for improved stability, while overhangs are kept tight to maximize approach and departure angles for off-road performance. The SR5 sits proudly with 17-inch alloy wheels as standard, wrapped in all-season tires designed for both road comfort and light trail work. Black roof rails come standard, giving owners the flexibility to mount cargo carriers, roof tents or bike racks. A rear spoiler and sharp tailgate design improve aerodynamics, while the iconic power rear window, a 4Runner staple, remains, allowing quick ventilation or access to gear in the back. Toyota engineers prioritize trailability, giving the SR5 around 9.5 inches of ground clearance with approach angles of roughly 30 degrees and departure angles near 26. These figures make it well prepared for weekend off-roaders while remaining civilized in urban driving. Step inside the 2025 4Runner SR5 and you'll notice just how far Toyota has brought this SUV into the modern era. At the center of the dash sits a standard 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system running Toyota's latest software with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. For those who opt for the SR5 Premium package, a larger 14-inch screen is available, borrowed directly from the Tundra and Sequoia. A 7-inch digital cluster comes standard, blending analog durability with modern readouts. Buyers can upgrade to a fully digital 12.3-inch cluster in higher trims, but the SR5 sticks to practicality and simplicity. Seating is cloth in the base SR5, but it's high-quality fabric built for durability. SR5 Premium brings Softex synthetic leather, heated front seats and a power-adjustable driver's seat. The cabin is noticeably more refined compared to the outgoing model, with softer touch materials on high contact points and thoughtful storage solutions sprinkled throughout. Under the hood, the 2025 4Runner SR5 departs from the old-school naturally aspirated V6, adopting a turbocharged 2.4-liter inline-4 engine, the same one found in the latest Tacoma. It produces 278 horsepower and 317 lb-ft of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. While that's a downsizing from the previous 4.0 V6, the turbocharged torque delivery makes the 4Runner feel livelier, especially in low and mid-range acceleration. Toyota estimates around 20 miles per gallon city and 26 miles per gallon highway, a notable improvement compared to the thirsty outgoing model. For those using this SUV as a daily driver, that means fewer fuel stops and lower running costs. The SR5 is rated to tow up to 5,000 pounds, plenty for small trailers, boats or camping gear. While not class-leading, it strikes the right balance between capability and everyday usability. Even in SR5 form, Toyota equips the 4Runner with part-time 4WD and a rugged 2-speed transfer case. Hill descent control, crawl control and selectable terrain modes are available for those venturing beyond pavement. Against the Ford Bronco, the 4Runner feels more traditional but also more refined inside. Compared to the Jeep Wrangler, it offers a smoother ride and better reliability, though it lacks the Wrangler's open-air freedom. Versus crossovers like the Honda Passport or Hyundai Santa Fe XRT, the 4Runner is simply more capable off-road, cementing its place in a niche that blends toughness with everyday practicality. The 2025 Toyota 4Runner SR5 is exactly what fans were hoping for: a complete modernization of an icon without abandoning what made it special. It's rugged, reliable, family-friendly, and capable of tackling the great outdoors with confidence. Toyota has successfully honored the past while preparing the 4Runner for the future, making the SR5 a smart choice for buyers who want substance, versatility, and value in one package. That wraps up our deep dive into the 2025 Toyota 4Runner SR5. A vehicle that proves legends don't fade, they evolve. From its bold new design to its refined interior, turbocharged performance, and uncompromising off-road DNA, the 4Runner SR5 is ready to carry its heritage into a new era. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to AutoCrafters for more in-depth automotive breakdowns, and let us know in the comments what you think of the new 4Runner. Would you take it over a Bronco or a Wrangler?